Right, today we're going to look at the StoneClip dry installation kits. We have two models available at the moment, an 100mm or 4-inch or 125 and 5-inch grinder. Both are designed to be used with a dry vacuum to eliminate dust particles throughout the installation process. The dry cutters themselves are fully adjustable and come set to cut 20mm stone, but can be adjusted to cut out to 60mm stone. They have a vacuum holding station that's built in through here, and also two dust collection pads that are here. For use, the stonemason will install where his point of cutting is with the line and then proceed to plunge into the stone, as so.